and therefore you go on the wing-borne flight, but obviously on the short takeoff, most of it is just the pure grunt of the Pegasus engine pushing you airborne. Indeed, when you're hovering, it's all down to the engine, nothing, no different from the wing. So we will get some ordinary flights, fast passes left to right as he comes back in, and then start transitioning to slower speeds. Going to come around about 400 odd knots, down to 100 feet, 400 knots from our left, and then into a high performance turn. Looking at the sequence, the chap says this display will last about 8 minutes. I'm still working on this with my CO. I think he's sorted it out with his boss. Otherwise he wouldn't be doing the display. Flight Control Committee would be too impressed. Here he comes in from that left. Looking on the big screen, what a fantastic sight. It just looks, again, like a secret. It's just a good looking aircraft.
I know. That's all I scrap Can you have a listen to the don't. Yeah, exactly. The rainbow flags for the police station.
Leader of Farnborough, of course, to the AV8B. There's lots of jobs here. That's a very effective aircraft. Oh, which now, very much. Front-line aircraft. So fast, this way, the wing slowly pointing downwards. Forward of the wing pointing downwards, that's what keeps it above the ground. Those of you not looking at the big screen, you'll see the jet blast coming down. A lot of smoke come down, you can see occasionally movement of it. You can actually move the nozzles forward to one, slow you down, but also go backwards, and you can go sideways on it. Now, when you're in the hover, obviously the ailerons and rudder don't really work, so there's a whole load of air that goes out little nozzles at the ends of the wingtips, at the tail, the rudder, vippers, and they are what you use to use directional flight when you're in the hover. I say that now because you won't hear anything from me, I hear you say, when it comes into the hover. About 5 minutes maximum of hovering at these weights and these temperatures. Way out over Latham's plain.